Hello, cosmic travelers. My name is Isaiah Baxter, and I invite you on a Truvenor journey, not across continents, but through the vast expanse of the cosmos. We often gaze at the night sky, feeling small, but what if you realized you're not just an observer, but a part of the universe itself? Today, we'll peel back the veil of the everyday and explore truths written in the language of physics and chemistry, truths stranger and far more beautiful than fiction. These aren't just abstract ideas. They connect our tiny world to the grand cosmic ballet. The universe whispers its secrets, and if we listen, we hear a story of creation, scale, and our own unlikely origins. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover 5 quiet truths about space that will leave you in awe. Let's begin our voyage, Truvenors. Into the heart of the cosmos we go. Let's start with a truth that's both personal and cosmic. You are made of stardust. Every atom in your body, except the most primordial hydrogen, was forged in the heart of a star that lived and died long before our sun was born. The iron in your blood, the carbon in your DNA, the calcium in your bones, all created in ancient stars. When massive stars die, they explode in supernovas, scattering these elements across the galaxy. These stellar ashes drifted through space, mingling with other clouds, until gravity pulled them together to form new stars and planets. Our solar system was born from one such cloud, seeded with the legacy of countless ancient suns. The atoms from those supernovas became part of Earth, the oceans, the atmosphere, and eventually, life itself. Over billions of years, that life evolved, leading to you. So when you look up at the night sky, you're seeing your own cosmic ancestry. The universe is not separate from us. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. This isn't just poetic, it's scientific fact. Every breath you take, every thought you have, is powered by the legacy of stellar explosions. You are a living testament to the life and death of stars. The next time you feel small, remember, you carry the history of the cosmos within your DNA. You are part of a grand, continuous story of cosmic creation and rebirth. We are not just on Earth, we are of the Earth, and the Earth is of the cosmos. The stardust within you has become conscious, able to contemplate its own origins. The universe is in us. We are stardust, and that is our cosmic heritage. Let's try to grasp the scale of the universe. Imagine all the sand on every beach and desert on Earth, about 7.5 quintillion grains. For every grain of sand, there are more than 100 stars in the observable universe. Our sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way, and the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies. The Hubble Space Telescope once stared at a tiny patch of sky, the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length, and found 10,000 galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions or trillions of stars. So when we say there are more stars than grains of sand, we're using the entirety of Earth's beaches as a mere unit of measurement for the cosmos. Each of those stars is a sun, a potential center for its own solar system. With so many suns, how many planets must there be? Current estimates suggest at least one planet for every star. That means trillions, perhaps quadrillions of worlds out there. The universe is a prolific creator of stars and worlds. Our sun is not special. Our solar system is not unique. The conditions that led to Earth are likely not a one-time fluke. The next time you walk on a beach, pick up a grain of sand and remember, it represents more than 100 suns somewhere in the cosmos. The cosmos is not empty, it is overwhelmingly, wonderfully full. Each star is a potential home for new worlds, new possibilities. The scale is staggering, but it's also inspiring. We are part of a universe that is vast beyond comprehension. Our world is just one among countless others. The universe's boundless potential is reflected in every grain of sand, and in every star that lights up the night sky. The cosmos is full, beyond our wildest imagination. Time isn't universal, it's shaped by the rhythms of each world. On Earth, a day is one rotation, a year is one revolution around the sun. But on Venus, things get strange. Venus rotates so slowly that one day lasts 243 Earth days. Its year, one trip around the sun, is just 225 Earth days. That means a day on Venus is longer than its year. If you stood on Venus, you'd celebrate a birthday before experiencing a full day-night cycle. The sun would rise in the west and set in the east, but only once every 117 Earth days. This challenges our Earth-centric view of time. The length of a day or year isn't a universal constant. It's a product of planetary mechanics. Life on Venus, if it existed, would have to adapt to a completely different rhythm. Our biology is tuned to Earth's 24-hour cycle, but the universe offers endless variations. The slow spin of Venus reminds us, the cosmos doesn't operate on a human timescale. It follows its own rules, written in the language of physics. Our experience of reality is shaped by our local cosmic address. To understand the universe, we must let go of our comforting constants. The universe is far more varied and strange than we can imagine. So next time you think a day is dragging, be glad you're not on Venus. Time moves differently out there, and that simple fact opens up a universe of possibilities. Humanity has always been captivated by treasure, but the universe has treasures beyond our wildest dreams. 40 light-years away in the constellation of Cancer lies a planet called 55 Cancri e. It's a super-Earth, twice the size of our planet, and 8 times more massive. It orbits its star so closely that its year is less than 18 hours long, and its surface is hot enough to melt rock. But the real wonder lies beneath the surface. The star it orbits is rich in carbon, and so is the planet. Scientists believe 55 Cancri e could be a carbon planet, with geology unlike anything on Earth. Deep inside, the immense pressure could turn carbon into diamond on a planetary scale. Models suggest up to a third of the planet's mass could be solid diamond. Imagine a world with a mantle of graphite and a core of crystalline carbon. A planet worth more than all the economies of Earth combined. It sounds like science fiction, but it's based on real astrophysics. We can't visit yet, but the possibility is mind-blowing. The diversity of worlds in the universe is likely far greater than we ever imagined. There may be carbon planets, iron planets, water worlds, and more. 55 Cancri A reminds us, the universe is not just made of the familiar. The laws of physics and chemistry create worlds that shatter our expectations. A planet of diamonds is just one of many wonders waiting to be discovered. The greatest treasures in the universe aren't the ones we mine, but the knowledge we gain by looking up. The cosmos is full of surprises. Let's return closer to home, to the International Space Station, humanity's outpost in orbit. The ISS orbits Earth at 17,500 miles per hour, circling the planet every 90 minutes. Astronauts aboard experience 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every 24 hours. Imagine watching the sun rise over the Pacific, then set over the Atlantic before you finish your coffee. This rapid cycling of day and night is completely alien to our Earthbound biology. To stay healthy, astronauts follow a strict schedule and often shutter the windows to simulate the normal day-night cycle. But when they look out, the view is breathtaking. Thunderstorms over the Amazon, auroras over the poles, city lights tracing continents. From orbit, borders vanish and Earth appears as one fragile, beautiful planet. This perspective is called the overview effect, and it changes lives. The ISS is a symbol of international cooperation and a reminder that we are all crew members on spaceship Earth. 16 sunrises a day isn't just a fun fact, it's a sign of how far we've come. We've built a permanent foothold in the heavens, a place to look back and gain new perspective. Next time you see a bright point moving across the night sky, that's the ISS. Aboard it, humans are living and working, seeing our world in a way we can only dream of. The ISS is a beacon of hope, a marvel of engineering, and a window to a new way of being. It reminds us that we are no longer bound to the surface of our world. We are explorers, always reaching higher, and the journey has only just begun. We've traveled from the hearts of stars to diamond worlds, from Venus's strange days to the ISS's rapid sunrises. These truths aren't just facts, they're invitations to wonder and to see ourselves in a new cosmic light. The universe is a place of beauty, scale, and connection. Our journey today is just a glimpse into the vast book of the cosmos. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. Keep asking questions, keep looking up. The cosmos is part of you, and you are part of it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic wonders. Until next time, stay curious.